police officer at the central government building. I asked him where is the best place to have a typical from this region of Spain here in Barcelona. I was told to come to Gulleretes restaurant. 1786 is typical, reasonably priced and everything. Of course, it's Sunday evening. There isn't anything at all here. That's the front door of this old historical building. There we go. Gulleretes. And it goes on to all that way. Here down at Quintana Street. Anyway, have to work this out tomorrow and see what it is. We are stuck with absolutely nothing. Gulleretes off the Ferran Street, here at the Quintana alley. But we are stuck with no food for tonight. Here. The group is explaining they brought them here to eat the proper Barcelona style food. The tour group has ended up, and I managed to ask the central government police officer right opposite the entrance to the central government of Barcelona. And I've been pointed out to this place, and the tour guide is bringing their guide. The most popular restaurant here in Barcelona, yet not on a Sunday, folks. And I salute that. And I totally respect and salute, because they need. Sunday was a day where the family used to get together after chef, and they all sat down and ate together on a Sunday and had a siesta. Yes. But here we are on Sunday. If you're visiting the city of Barcelona, it is a different story. But don't forget to come and experience the Gulleretes. Reason why I'm actually asking the local government officer, because every restaurant, there I'm standing here, sushi. I'm not joking, look, right opposite this old historical Spanish restaurant, and I'm stuck in front of sushi place. Udon, sushi, salmon don, teriyaki don. I mean, what's going on? If I want this stuff, I go to Japan. Instead, I come here and I end up, this is closed, this is open. This is, I come all the way to Spain, Barcelona, and I end up in a sushi place, Japanese.